Go. Hi guys, today I'm going to play my fish game.
Okay,
So first I'm going to put the fish.
show us how it works, honey.
First you press this black button.
No. Don't you have to put the fish in first?
Yeah. This has to make the whole trail yellow. There. Now we have to make the whole trail green.
And then what do? You have to put them all in first?
Where's the other green? Where's the...
You lost it?
Maybe.
Okay, finish the other ones first.
And we'll make the whole trail of blue. And the whole trail of red. And the whole trail of orange. I made it get them out because there's no.
You're missing 3 of them. Where are they?
I know.
Where are your fish?
Okay, we'll just do it without the fish.
Okay.
Because they won't be enough.
Okay, now
And
what?
then we turn on the game. We get our fishing pole.
Oh, nice. Let me see. Are you good?
And
Oh,
then
wow, you caught one.
and they're right there in their game. And then you go back to the water. And you get out the fish. And let them bite it. And just grab it. And another red. Let them bite it. Ah. You always have to go to a different.
Oh, you almost had them. Go.
Yeah.
Show us. Come on. All right.
Ah.
It's okay. Wow. You got one of every color. Look. Yellow.
What?
Look at the colors you picked up. You got every color so far.
I almost got one. You go to a different one. Bite it and grab it. And use it.
Wow. You're catching a lot of fish now. A green one. Wow. You're making that look easy now. Oh my God, look at all the fish. There you go.
You always have to squeeze it in your mouth.
You have 3 more. Gotta get them all. Ah, you almost had him. There he goes. He's biting now. Let's see the blue ones. The blue ones are hard to see. There you go. Oh, don't pull it out too fast. Slow. Nice and slow. You'll get him.
You can't get them.
You getting tired?
I'm using another fish.
Oh, it's the color. Hey, steady. Want Daddy to help you?
Yeah.
All right. You get one, I get one. Ready?
Okay.
There we go. Finished. Good job. Shut it off now. What do you want to say?
Now we're going to do another one.
Okay.
We got a huge snow.
You still got the snow?
Yeah.
Wow, it's going to melt soon.
Yes, it is. But don't worry, we'll put it in the freezer.
Oh, okay, honey. All right, we'll be right back.